Welcome to Icon Educators, your premier online destination for science education. We are passionate about inspiring a love for science and helping students excel in this fascinating subject. Join us on a journey of discovery, where science comes to life. At Icon Educators, we believe in the power of personalized learning. Our expert tutors provide one-on-one live tutoring sessions, tailoring their teaching approach to meet each student's unique needs and learning style. From biology to physics, chemistry to astronomy, we cover a wide range of science subjects. Our tutors are subject matter experts, ready to guide you through the intricacies of each topic, unraveling complex concepts and making science accessible and engaging. Experience the benefits of our interactive virtual classroom environment. Engage in real-time discussions, ask questions, and receive instant feedback. Our tutors are dedicated to creating an interactive and supportive learning atmosphere that fosters curiosity and academic growth. To enhance your learning experience, we provide access to a variety of digital resources and tools. From educational videos to interactive simulations, these resources supplement your understanding and deepen your knowledge of scientific principles. To embark on your scientific journey with Icon Educators, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll gain access to valuable science content, study tips, and updates on upcoming events. Join our community of science enthusiasts and unlock your full potential. Visit our website or contact us today to schedule your personalized tutoring sessions and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Icon Educators, where science meets excellence.